All right, this is MOTOWN. It's a little private strip. No one lives here. There's just an old abandoned hangar. It's where Arizona Flying Circus happens. Looks like somebody else might be trying to fly in or just flying over. Let's go check it out, see what that guy's doing. He turning for a downwind? Nope. Just flying through nice and low. Anyways, this place is pretty hopping during Arizona Flying Circus. Looks like an abandoned ghost town right now. Check it out. Got some wind chimes. So it's kind of like a little mini Burning Man slash, I don't know, Wild West flying. It was pretty cool when we came here during the flying circus. There's just airplanes lined up all across that side of the runway and all kinds of RVs and campers out there. It's a pretty good time. They put on a pretty good event. Hopefully we can make it out again this year. 2,600 foot dirt strip, so pretty easy to get in. 182 had no problem landing. This is nice and hard packed, no ruts. It's in good shape. This guy coming in. Wonder if he's gonna try to land. It sure looks like he's on a downwind. Maybe I shouldn't be standing in the middle of the runway. Same plane that flew through? Yeah, I think it's that same thing. I don't know what it is. Maybe we'll find out here in a second. No, he turned the other way. He's just circling around, having fun putting around. So yeah, back to the Arizona Flying Circus thing. I think it happens in February. You can buy tickets online, check it out. I'm not affiliated in any way, but it was a good time. They had people lined up, and I don't know who sponsored this deal, but an airplane flew over. I think they had like $5,000 in cash, all in ones, and they dropped it out of the window, and everyone just went running, my kids included. They just took off. So lost our kids in the crowd. That was a little exciting, not in a great way, but it was a good time. Everyone liked it. It was a fun event. Over here is the shooting range. Pat's over there with his dog Kilo, just sighting in a 22, having fun with that. Skylane's just parked right there. Come here, Kilo. Where's your bumper? Where is it? Go get a bumper. Give me the bumper. Come here, Kilo. Give me the bumper. Kilo, sit. Sit. Good dog. Kilo, stay. MOTOWN, awesome place. Always a good little adventure to drop in and camp, hang out, do some shooting, do some flying. What else could you ask for?
Left side, so 2 bottles and then straight above it.
So the same row, that rabbit on the top left. That's 5. Let's go check it out.
It looks like you were a little high.
Yeah,
But a good pattern.
that's the group, but I was aiming right there, so I think it's not quite there yet. This is the shooting range. Pretty neat little feature they have. You don't find too many little private airstrips with shooting ranges. Oh, this is the ball I was shooting at. Oh, this thing's pretty small. Hey, this thing looks a lot bigger when you're looking down the barrel. Where do you want me to put it? MOTOWN Showtown. Always a good time out here. Airplanes and guns. What more could you want? Kilo, get inside. Get in. Get in. Get in. Go. Go. Get in. Get inside. Good dog. Kilo, sit.